All right, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Hope you guys are doing well. This is playing out a little bit better than I even hoped. I was hoping that we would get this entry during the macro, which we just entered. Let's see if we actually get enough of a pullback into this 1 minute BPR. But just looking to target the opening bell low, which could end up being the opening range low, or maybe put in a new opening range low before we even get through the first 30 minutes of market open. But opening range gap is down here as well. So if I toggle on regular trading hours, you guys can see this entire opening range gap is below where our target is. So just looking for about 38 points from where my sell limit is set. But the reason I like this trade is because we've got all of these, we still got all that liquidity from yesterday still down there. But even in the short term, just off of recent session highs and lows, we've basically just created a low resistance liquidity run with Asia and London, versus like yesterday was a little bit more high resistance just because London had taken out the Asia lows before working up. So I like what we've gotten so far with this move up here above buy side. Very strong displacement down. This is a little 1 minute breaker right here as well, which is probably why price is struggling to work all the way up here. I just didn't really want to have my stop loss be that big to enter right here, truthfully. So we'll see if we get this. About a 12.5 point stop, 12.75 points, tucked right inside of OT. Morning, Mark. There we go. Just got tagged in, guys. Let's see what we get here. I'm probably not even gonna bother going risk free until until we're like pushing these lows, honestly. But the other reason I like this trade as well is I was on the 5 minute chart, and I didn't see us pushing up from any bullish fair value gaps. We pretty much filled in that entire move up from opening bell. So that would have been the only thing that I wouldn't have liked about this trade if we were pushing up from a bullish gap. But on the 5 and the 15, there was nothing there. December's been semi-problematic thus far, just overall. There we go. It's about to worry me. I'm like, come on now. Take out these lows, dude. We got another breaker here. I'm just gonna fucking leave risk on. We got another breaker, inefficiency there. I would like, if we either take this initial low out first, or I want to leave it open in case it pulls back for that. But yeah, if we come here to this low, I'm gonna take one off, or I'm gonna remove risk here. If you guys want, obviously partial as you wish. We're up probably 1 to 2 right now, a little over. Just left relative equal lows, so I'm gonna keep risk on. Trustyourtrade.com. There we go. Gonna go ahead and remove risk, guys. If that candle closes back above, I'm gonna take one off. I'm gonna take one off. Took one off, guys. Got one left riding. See if we get this push through. And stop is break even. All right, guys. I just closed it. I closed it. Secured what we had left. Took one off here. Took the rest off as we pulled back up. Probably won't be much to offer after that first trade. Maybe. I mean, shit, guys. Like, if it just ranges like this all day, we'll be happy we caught that. All right, guys. I'm gonna enter right there. Just market executed a short. Might be able to a little bit more wiggle room with the stop now. I'm just gonna go above these candle bodies here on the 30-second. 30-second and 1 minute, right there. All right, well, we're in the macro, so we'll see what we get. Like I said, hope it doesn't come into this wick and then give the move. That'd be like ultimately the ultimate unfortunate circumstance. All right, got stopped out. All right, gave a little bit of that profit back. Meanwhile, Dow Jones is chilling. Let's watch and see what it does. Honestly, guys, I'm gonna enter again here with low risk. I'm gonna go stop at the high. Just create a new SMT. So I'll basically be break even on the day if this gets stopped. So just kind of like what the initial rejection off of that. And Dow Jones still holding this, creating new SMT with ES. Thinking risk free after these lows. In hindsight, could have maybe waited for this whole move to happen and then try to get in here. I don't know if that'll be offered or not, but probably wouldn't like it if it hits this first because bullish gap, obviously. All right, guys, I'm risk free. Whatever happens, happens. I know that it could come back to this and fill it, but even if that was the case, I don't like that it's bouncing from here now, so. All that just to get stop that break even. So let's, I don't know, I'll just tape read this, see if it continues lower, but that's that. So literally did one of everything today. One win, one loss, one break even. Slightly green, but yeah, I just don't, I wouldn't feel as confident in it anymore just because of this. So, all right, guys, enjoy the rest of your guys's, what day is it today? Tuesday. Enjoy the rest of your Tuesday. I'll talk to you guys after lunch in the PM session. If you guys need anything, reach out. And as always, I will see you guys on the live session tomorrow. But we'll talk later today, see if anything shows up for PM session. Okay. Enjoy your day, guys. Peace out.